Log in to oup.instructure.com. If you have only one course, you will enter straight into that course. Otherwise, select your Oxford Learning Link course from your homepage or from the courses list. Select Settings from the left-hand submenu. Your course settings will open. Scroll down to the Participation section of the page, where you can set a start date and an end date. And decide whether you want students to be able to access the course before the term begins. To ensure students cannot access the course before the term begins, check the box for Restrict students from viewing the course before term start date. After adjusting the course settings, scroll to the bottom of this page and click the Update Course Details button. A dialog box will appear at the top of the screen, indicating that your settings have been saved. You can now navigate to any other area of the course using the submenu to the left of the settings.